In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to install our Betheme theme, that's responsive multi-purpose WordPress and WooCommerce theme. So now I will come to my Themeforest to download this theme. This theme just costs about $60. Then I had to cut and fill the necessary payments details. After that, after I download the script or the theme, I will go to my C panel, File Manager, then I go to my WordPress directory. Okay, here's my WordPress directory that I'm going to. I will go to WP content, my themes. Okay, as you can see, these are the themes that are there. If I look at my themes, then next I click on upload here. Here is the theme I want to upload, Betheme. I drag and drop it here. So I successfully uploaded it. I will click on go back. Then next I right click on it to extract files. Next I close. So I have uploaded my theme. Let me refresh it. We are going to see it now. Here is it, Betheme. Now I go to my dashboard, refresh my dashboard, then appearance, now as you can see, this is the customized theme, the one that came with the WordPress when I install it. So now here I'm going to click on activate to activate this one. This is the one I just uploaded, that's the Betheme. Let's get started. I click on next step, then let me choose Elementor before, because I prefer using Elementor. Next step, so I choose one of them. Let me choose this, complete website. Next step, start installation. Skip. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your website. So I click on check your website. So I have installed my theme. As you can see, here is it. So my home, my features, what key pages, I can go to anywhere I like. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. And if this video is helpful, please link in the description to buy me coffee. Don't forget to hire me in case you have any question regarding this video. Thank you.